On the west side of town, you're going to get the best views of the city. And these properties are just at that age where it's time to renovate them. But I'm going to take you on a time warp just so you can see what I'm talking about.
So you may have seen Skip Adams on Instagram, Twitter, even Facebook and YouTube. He's the owner of SoldBySkip real estate brokerage here in Albuquerque, and he uses his platform to not only sell homes, but also to educate people on buying homes. So Skip is here in person, not on social media, with us this morning. Thanks for waking up early with us and being here.
Julie, thanks for having me. Yeah, it's a nice morning this morning. We are still in a seller's market as we roll through the winter months. So the days on market is up to about 37 days on market, meaning homes are sitting a little bit longer than where they have been over the past couple of years. We've got about a 1 month supply of homes. I think this morning there was something like 700 homes available only. So not a lot, meaning there's a lot of buyer demand and not a lot of stuff to sell right now. One of the driving forces in the real estate market right now is interest rates. This time last year we were at a 3 or 4% interest rate. Now we're at about a 6 or 7% rate, which just means it's forced a lot of would-be buyers back into the rental market. Think about it like this: for every point that interest rates go up, buyer purchasing power goes down by about 10%. So it's a little bit of a interesting situation we've got right now. Now, the biggest mistake sellers are making as homes sit on the market longer is thinking that a lower purchase price is going to, bring more buyers to the table. The reality is buyers only care about two things right now: their interest rate and their monthly payment.
Right.
So instead of reducing the purchase price, use that money to buy down their interest rate, because that's going to save the buyer much more money on a monthly basis than any price reduction would.
And that's good advice.
It's pretty competitive on both sides of the coin, no matter which way you're going. We're seeing rental prices up about 22% for apartments from where we were this time last year.
Is it a good time to be buying a home?
The best time to buy a home was obviously 20 years ago, but the second best time would be today.
We always have the home buying 101 part of the interview, so let's get to property taxes. First of all, what are they, and how is property tax different from sales tax?
When you're buying a home, one of the things you want to understand is how much are your property taxes going to be. Property taxes are collected a little bit differently than sales tax. Sales tax or gross receipts tax are collected at the point of sale, right? When you buy your toaster, you pay your gross receipts tax. Property taxes are a little bit different. They're collected twice a year, every year. Forever. And so in order to calculate those taxes up front, what you want to do is take the purchase price of the property, that'll be your new assessed value, multiply that by 1.2%, and that'll give you an idea of what your property taxes will be for the upcoming year. Property taxes are tax deductible on your federal income taxes each year, so meet with your CPA and figure out what that write-off is going to look like for you. The good news is your mortgage company will break up your monthly payment into principal, interest, and include your taxes in there, so you don't have to make that payment exactly every month. Your mortgage company will do it for you.
Okay, that's good. That's maybe one less thing to worry about, right? That's always nice news. You have a new reality show. You're going to be a reality show star here in Albuquerque. Let's talk about
reality that. Reality TV is taking over Albuquerque, and I'm happy to just share the story with you. So a new reality show about buying and selling properties in Albuquerque and the surrounding areas tells a story of unique properties, sellers' backstories, and just kind of all the small components that go into each transaction. So we're holding an open casting call. It's on our website right now, soldbyskip.com/casting. You can go there, and if you've got a fun story to tell or an interesting property to share, we welcome you to join us.
Awesome, and we're going to put that open casting call on our website as well, KOB.com, so definitely go check that out. Skip, thanks so much for being here.